So let's have a look at progressions to control our handstands towards the wall. So I know that sometimes we go into handstand tucks facing towards the wall, but this time I want you to think of piking up and without kicking. So that's what we're going to try and do. So you can use a box. I find that you can start at the lowest point. You can use a bench as well, that's slightly lower. But the box is really nice because you will, the closer you get and the higher you get, the more challenging it will feel towards your core compression and your hip flexor. This is kind of similar to the other move when we do the pikes on the exercise ball. Now I want to actually place myself near the wall. You can go close to the wall, and then I'm going to pike up towards the wall. So you can press your back if you want. You can come close to the box and I push myself a little bit into the wall. You need to make sure you're really confident in doing that. Then we're gonna slowly try to lift and hover the leg off. So I need to go a little bit further away from myself and finding that L. So what we try and do here is not kicking the leg here, although if I extend my leg, it helps then. You can see how I shift my body weight over my fingertips. And then the last thing you need to look at is my hip flexor here on the box. I am still thinking of squeezing my hip flexor rather than lifting the leg up. So I still think of a tuck here with the leg into the L. So trying to not kick too much and just shift my body weight, and then I come back.